When you wanna add a little sparkle, when you need a little shine, come on over, grab your scissors, let's create and make it fly. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive. With Sandy's touch and magic hands, you're ready to dive inside. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper, lace, and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy's showing you the way. With pictorious ideas, giveaways, let's craft today.